Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking the Mini for an MOT this morning, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will pass, no advisories, and yeah, I can put it straight up for sale, take some pictures, and yeah, get rid of it, and it's gone, move on, get another one, get a couple, you know, because this is looking really bare in here now. As you can see, no cars. So, but you know, it is what it is. I've got other jobs going on. There's a nice little Mercedes CLK that needs a little bit of work done into it. That's just round here. I'll show you quickly. It's just sitting the other side of the van. So, got to do a bit of work on that, guys. Looking at other cars next week. And yeah, definitely, I think I'll be definitely looking at that breaking a car from Copart. So I'll be going down there and winning a car, breaking all the parts off, and yeah, I'm hoping that they'll let me do the filming on that. I've been in contact with them, email them backwards and forwards and stuff, so I'm just hoping that they'll accept me doing it, as long as I don't sort of record anyone or any other sort of, you know, people details. I don't know really, but I'll have to, yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed. But anyway, that's today's video, guys. We're just going to go take that for the MOT. We're going to give it a wash, give it a clean, get it ready for sale. And then I'll do some shots, filming around the car. Some decent, nice shots. I'm going to try and take it to a field somewhere, see if I can get some nice shots of it. Yeah, and we'll just sort of dive into it. But thanks for all the comments last night as well, guys. That was, you know, fantastic. I think a couple of mugs sold as well. So that was good. Thanks very much for that. Don't make a massive, like, they're cheap. I'm selling these merchandise mugs for like, I think they're $7.99. So they're not, I'm not making a killing on it. I didn't want to, you know, I got a great deal for you guys to buy the mugs, but I didn't want to sort of start whacking prices on them. I've seen other merchandise mugs going for like over £10, £12 or whatever. But no, I wanted to try and keep it as low as possible. That way you get a great deal, and I'll make 50p a mug, something stupid like that. So yeah, it is, you know, I'm not doing it to try and keep the doors open just by selling the mugs, because that ain't gonna happen. But you know, just want to put a bit out there and get you a bit of merchandise for the channel, and yeah, see what else we can get. I'm looking at key rings. I've got a key ring that they've done. Looks pretty cool. And other bits and pieces, but yeah, I'll push all that later on, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's just let's jump into today's video, guys. Let's get this Mini over the line, get it done, MOT finished, and then we can yeah, put it up for sale and move on. But yeah, it's turned out, you know, really, really nice, this Mini, with all the colour-coded bumpers and all that sort of stuff. But I'll do some shots going around the car, like I said, and film so you can see it, and yeah, we'll go from there. But let's do it. So there we go. I'm back from the MOT centre, guys, and yeah, straight through, all passed, no advisories, perfect. Like the guy said, it was you know, it was a really nice, clean car underneath. Yeah, fantastic. So that's great news. So yeah, it's all back for sale now. So I'm just gonna lift it up and see what happens, see what I get of it. So that's that. So that's that done. That Mini is finished. I've got a little project outside. I'll quickly just show you. I had another guy come over to me and asked me to do a bit of work on his car, and I'll quickly show you it. So this is the one that he wants me to do a bit of work on. This one here is a bit tatty and stuff. He just wants me to tidy it up a little bit. Right, he just wants me to just have a little play with that. What else did he say? There's a cap missing at the front. Just wants me to get a replacement cap for the tow eye down there. He wants me just to tidy it up. He's not looking for anything like, you know, it's an old car. He just wants it a little bit more tidy than what it is. There's a dent here. You see that dent? So that should put out pretty easy. I'll have to play around with that. And the back boot as well. I think he said there's a little bit of damage here, a little bit of pulling or something here. Yeah. you know, I was just honest with him. I said, look, I'll do the best I can with it. And he's happy with that, you know, so that's it. That's all I can do is, you know, be honest with people and do the best I can with things. I'm still learning. I'm not an expert, as you'll know. You know, this weren't my normal job. So, but I do enjoy it. I like it, and it's a growing thing. Things, you know, I'm getting these kind of come to me now and asking me to do some work on their cars, which is fantastic because it just keeps things rolling over, keep things going. I've got another van. I've got to give him a call actually, get him over, book him in for next week. So I'll do his van as well. I'll pull the corner out. He's got like a dent in his corner, so I'll pull it out and show you guys what I'm doing there as well. So yeah, just these little, like cars like this, you know, I don't mind. Plus I've got other, you know, I'm looking at other cars next week at Copart, so we'll get another one. And obviously I've got other stuff going on in the background as well, just to try and sort of, you know, tick over and tick along, and slowly growing something that I'm enjoying and I love doing, and I'm starting to really, you know what I mean, I really do start like enjoying it now. So yeah, so that's where we are. So it's just a quick upload and update on the Mini, guys. I think a few of you were asking about, hopefully it goes through the MOT fine, all that sort of stuff. So this was just a quick video, just letting you know that, yeah, it's all good, it's all passed. So yeah, we'll be looking for another one. But I will be looking at that breaker for you. I had a couple of comments saying, you know, be careful, you know, it's very expensive to do. But it's only expensive to do if you pick the wrong car. If you pick the right car at the right price, it can be very good thing to do. So yeah, I don't mind. Like I'll just chuck a load of tools in the back of the van. I'll book a day to strip the car down. I'll go down there, I'll get a helper, and we'll both go down there and we'll strip all the parts off a car. So I'm not afraid of trying different things, you know. So that's one thing I've got again, you know, for what I'm doing, is that I'm not afraid. Like there could be a lot of people out there that sort of think, oh no, I don't really want to try that. But that's not the way I think. I don't think like that at all. I'm just, you know, and hopefully, eventually, it will pay off. But it's just, this is not like, I can't throw 100 grand at this, doing this, because just ain't got that kind of money sitting around. And I'm not going to get a loan. I'm not asking anyone to help me with financially any of this. I'm doing this from the bottom up, as you know, started in the garage, and I'm just having, you know what I mean? I'm just loving it at the moment. It's great. You know, I've got to start making a good income from this. Like, I know that. Like, there's no question that I need to make a good income. I need to pay the bills at home and here. But I'm in a great position where that will come in time. And I'm in a perfect opportunity to try and do this for myself. I'll never be able to have an opportunity like this again. This is it. So I'm going to make the most of it and try and do as much as I can to make it work. So, but that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Listen, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the comments last night. It was fantastic. Drop me a comment if you've got anything to say on today's video. Like I said, it was just a quick video, quick upload, quick update, sorry. And yeah, we'll move on to the next one. So I'll see you hopefully next week in the new project.